You taking Bella?
Here. My car's not out there.
What do you mean your car not outside?
Bro, it's not out there. Did you see my car when you had pulled up from work?
I honestly was not paying attention.
Bro, come look
What do
outside.
you mean your
Come
car
look
not
outside.
outside? That doesn't even make sense.
It's not out there. That's what I'm saying. Like, I tried to go start my car and it wasn't out there.
I gotta put some shoes on because that don't even make sense.
Yeah, we a block boy. Yeah, didn't play with no toys. Yeah, and I have a wall out the shore. Got right in and went north. Bitch, all broke, not poor. Skinnies on me, designer, no shorts. Jet like we at the port.
Hey y'all, so for those who do not know me, I'm Sierra. You guys can see by the title, I'm doing a car prank on Jeff. I'm gonna be explaining how this prank is gonna go from top to bottom. I'm gonna let y'all hear it first. Y'all gonna know everything I'm gonna be doing. Y'all won't be confused on why this happened or how it happened and when did I do that, this and that. So before we even get into all that, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to his channel and turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time he drops a video. Jeff just left, so I got like all the time in the world to talk to y'all. He just left, and I decided to get the spare key. I'm gonna take this out. Get the spare key. If you know Jeff personally, then you know that he a little slow. Like, he not gonna see none of this coming. But on top of me doing this prank, it's just been a whole lot of coincidences going on with people breaking in cars, stealing cars that we've been hearing for the past week. So it's definitely gonna be like, he's not gonna know that it's a prank. Basically what I'm saying. I'm gonna be at work in a couple of hours. Mind you, it's 7 o'clock p.m. So I will be going to work at 11 o'clock p.m. So when I get off in the morning is when I'm gonna make everything happen. We're gonna be in here sound asleep. Like, I'm gonna be getting off work about 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. I already got plans to do stuff when I get up tomorrow. Well, when we both wake up tomorrow, we already got some plans to go places. I had to do it on a Saturday to make sure the office was closed. God, I didn't want him going to the office. I don't know. It's like he's gonna be asking his family members and people what to do. Have a camera in the living room, camera in the bedroom, camera set up outside, cameras everywhere. He spent a lot of money on his car, put a lot of money into the car, so he gonna be butt hurt. Now the next day, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, 8:30. I literally just received a call from Jeff, and he is up and walking around, so we have to make sure that everything still goes smoothly. He doesn't notice anything. I'm in Jeff's car, so I am about to move his car around the corner somewhere. Anyways, my job, it's like 20 degrees right now. I don't know where I should park because I don't want to walk too far, but I don't want to be too close, so okay. I feel like this is a great spot. Okay guys, so I have the car parked. Now all I need to do is go in, set up the cameras and everything. Okay guys, so I'm about to put the camera behind this plant and my little Christmas trees.
Don't worry, I won't.
I just seen this TikTok.
Hey, chill out. Stop. Stop.
Of these fries.
What I say? Sit your butt down. Sit down.
Season. And then they put chicken on it. like a rooster's nest.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Like 5 feet tall, 99 pounds with graduate. Glasses and buck teeth.
Go in there. It don't even matter.
So the tree devil.
But I would have it like in the corner. Like that's why we gotta get.
Come on, man, move.
Go
Hey,
on.
stop. You always trying to be all up on me.
Keep Bella from shitting in there. But if I had to put it in the corner. Oh, I think she was done.
We can just go with the flow for Christmas.
Okay.
Be careful dating the baby.
We do gotta go to the store for
Because she's the baby.
Yeah, we need to
get
go
the
to the store.
breakfast stuff anyway.
We gotta get the breakfast and the dinner
She's
food.
been a couple lashes and butt naked sex.
So we gotta get that out the way.
We can go now. I just gotta warm up my cars.
She a psycho. Just got pulled up and all that boyfriend.
That's cool with you.
Those guys like to hide in the bush.
I don't know if you had anything planned or not.
I mean, we could go now. I'm tired, but we could go just to get it out the way.
Right? Realize this guy's relationship.
You wonder if I hate you.
You taking Bella?
No.
Okay, y'all, so he just went outside to go start his car. So I'm just gonna turn the camera a little bit so you guys can see him come in the house. And okay.
Here. My car's not out there.
Your car not outside.
Bro, it's not out there. Did you see my car when you had pulled up from work?
Honestly, was not paying attention.
Bro, come look
What do you
outside.
mean your
Come
car
look
not
outside.
outside? That don't even make sense.
It's not out there. That's what I'm saying. Like I tried to go start my car and it wasn't out there.
I gotta put some shoes on. That don't even make sense. Honestly, do not know what's going on or why your car would not be outside, to be honest. I feel like you need to call the police or I feel like we need to call the police or something.
You think the office got cameras?
I don't know, to be honest. I know
Oh no.
they were, I don't know, Jeff, I really don't.
I'm about to call my dad real quick.
Okay.
Hopefully he answered. He might be at work or something like that. Hey, Dad.
What's that?
I think somebody stole my car.
What's your name?
Cause I was about to go warm it up, and me and Sierra was about to go out to the store, and my car wasn't out there.
Man, report that shit. You got a tracking device on it, right?
You said what?
You got a tracking device from your dealer?
I'm not even sure. I know I got insurance and stuff on it, but I don't think I got an actual like tracking device or anything. They ain't give me no app or nothing like that.
Nah, they should have it. You got OnStar, right?
You said what?
OnStar. Like the navigation OnStar in the car.
Do
I
I?
don't know.
I'm not sure. I don't even know if that's in there. I don't know.
I feel like you should.
Did you have one start last night? Did you already call the police and everything?
Nah, I didn't even call the police. You're the first person I called. I just walked back into the house.
Yeah, call the police and make sure. See if Sierra trying to prank you first.
I don't think she trying to prank me though. She just literally came from work.
You ain't hear nothing?
Nah, I didn't even hear nothing. Cause I literally had just got out the shower and all that.
Did you get out of it this morning or anytime last night?
Nope. Or matter of fact, what was I doing last night? Nah, last night I think I was home all night. Should I go to the office and see if they got cameras? I don't know if they got cameras though. 'Cause I ain't never seen no cameras on like no buildings or nothing like that.
And see if they got cameras or whatnot. And then, matter of fact, just go on and call the police too. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, I'm gonna go to the office first to see what they talking about, and then after that I'll probably end up calling the police or whatever the case is to see what they gonna do. And should I call the dealership? Huh?
You know your plate number?
Yeah, I do.
So they're gonna be looking for that plate.
I should.
You take pictures of it or anything?
Yeah, I got a picture of my plates and what my car look like.
Yeah, as long as you got that, you know what I'm saying? Shit, I'll be on the lookout for it.
Alright, so I'm gonna mess around the call the guy from my dealership too, to see if there's anything he can do.
Yeah, call the police first before you do all that. Call the police and then, you know what I'm saying? Then go to your office.
Alright.
Because they're gonna ask you for a plate number on your for your car.
Alright, I'm gonna call you back and keep you updated.
Alright then.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guess the only thing you need to do is go to the office.
So what you about to do exactly?
I'm about to go to the office real quick to see if there's anything that they can do.
Hopefully they have cameras outside their building or something.
What you say?
Hopefully they had some cameras or something to catch something.
We about to find out. I'll be back. Probably like 5 minutes or something like that.
Young Weezy, man, this shit too easy.
I'm tired, y'all. Like for real. I can't even be upset with him. Like
2 hours later.
Bro, the fucking office is closed. And it ain't shit for me to do until Monday.
Well, as far as the office goes, there's nothing for you to do. If you're trying to like get any type of recording.
Bruh. So you didn't see my car out there this morning when you got off work?
I wasn't paying attention.
Bro, how the hell you not paying attention and it's literally right across
First of
the
all,
same parking spot as you?
I'm getting off work at 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm not looking to see if your car is outside when you're normally here. Like, I'm not paying attention to that.
Bro, it's literally shit for me. Like, I can't even do nothing though. Like, it's a fucking Sunday. The office is closed. So I don't know if they got cameras or not, or if they can even see anything. So it's like the only thing.
My thing is, why didn't you make sure your doors was locked?
Bro, I don't be paying attention sometimes.
Exactly.
To that
So you
shit.
can't get mad at me for not paying attention if your car was outside when I pulled up.
Now, I guess I gotta fucking call the police. I mean, there ain't shit else for me to do.
So you about to call the police?
Yes. Like, what else I'm gonna do?
You don't need to call the police.
Why don't I need to call the police here? What do you mean?
Because it's a prank.
What do you mean it's a prank?
It's a prank. Like, I pranked you. Like, your car's not really stolen.
So where's my car?
What do you mean, where's your car?
Where is my car at? It's not out there.
Jeff, I pranked you. Like, your car is safe
So where's the camera?
behind the thing.
Behind the
Really,
what?
nigga?
Behind the little plant.
Bruh.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
So, and I got a camera outside in the car.
So you literally just watched me call. You literally just watched me call my dad. And like, bro, come on, bro.
So, tell them how upset you were.
Alright, cause your ass, I'm gonna get my get back for sure. Don't worry about that. Your ass lame as hell.